Hello. To transfer files from your PC or to your PC on your Samsung Galaxy A06, you simply need the Type-C cable to connect it to your phone, and you have to also connect it to your computer. So let's connect the computer with our phone. Alright, and right now just on my screen, on my computer, there the folder appeared with the device and its internal storage. As you can see here, we have the USB for file transfer. In case you cannot transfer files, you have to go into these notifications, tap here for more USB options, and select transferring files. Alright, so now let me show you how it would look like on my computer. And as you can see, here we have the folder with our phone and with this internal storage. It's already on the computer, so we have to simply go into our internal storage. And for example, we have to choose any location we want to move file into. Let's take the documents one, and we simply have to take our document and move it into our internal storage. It's the same with moving the files from our phone to computer. You simply have to grab any file from your phone, simply grab it and drag it into somewhere to your computer. So that's simply how you do it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.